Greetings, viewers. Welcome to Modern World Dynamics, the channel that dissects the intricacies of our evolving world. We're here to explore the changing tides of life as we know it, delving into everything from the rapid advancements in technology to the shifting sands of social norms. In our quest for understanding, no topic is off limits, no question too complicated. Today, we're setting our sights on a topic that's both timeless and timely: Gen Z dating. Stay tuned for an insightful journey into the world of Gen Z dating. Dive into the realm of romance, where love letters have been replaced by text messages and a swipe right can kickstart a relationship. Imagine a time when dating was all about grand gestures, long-held traditions, and carefully penned love letters. That's how it was for our parents and grandparents. In their day, courtship was a slow dance, a meticulous process of getting to know each other. Relationships were often built on shared experiences, face-to-face conversations, and established social norms. Fast forward to today, and it's a whole new ballgame. Welcome to the world of Gen Z dating, where technology reigns supreme. The days of waiting by the phone for a call have been replaced by the instant gratification of a text message. And instead of getting to know someone slowly, we have a world of information at our fingertips, thanks to social media platforms. But it's not just the tools of communication that have changed. The very rules of dating have evolved. Traditional gender roles have blurred, giving way to a more egalitarian approach to relationships. And the idea of a standard dating timeline? Well, that's as outdated as a dial-up internet connection. The shift from traditional courtship to digital dating has brought with it a new language too. Terms like ghosting, catfishing, and breadcrumbing would have baffled older generations, but they're part of everyday vernacular for Gen Z. Now, let's not forget about dating apps. They've revolutionized the way we meet people. With a single swipe, you can connect with someone halfway across the globe, or discover that your soulmate was living just around the corner all along. But it's not all roses. The convenience of digital dating comes with its downsides. The illusion of endless choice can lead to a grass is always greener mentality. And the anonymity of online interactions can sometimes foster a lack of respect and empathy. So, it's clear that the dating game has changed. But is it for the better or worse? Well, that depends on who you ask. But one thing is certain: Gen Z is redefining what it means to date in the 21st century. Let's dissect the modern dating scene and weigh the pros and cons. When it comes to Gen Z dating, there's a whole new world of opportunities that previous generations could only dream of. Firstly, let's talk about the wonders of accessibility. With the rise of social media and dating apps, it's now possible to connect with potential partners from all corners of the globe. That's right, you're no longer limited to your local pub or the office water cooler. This has opened doors to an incredible diversity in dating. Gen Zers are connecting with people of different cultures, backgrounds, and lifestyles, enriching their experiences and broadening their perspectives. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. With this increased accessibility comes the risk of information overload. There's an endless sea of potential matches, which can lead to indecisiveness or even a phenomenon called choice paralysis. You know, that moment when you're standing in front of the ice cream stand and there are so many flavors that you end up choosing none. Then, there's the issue of decreased personal interaction. In the era of texting and video calls, face-to-face conversations are becoming a rarity. This could lead to weaker communication skills and a lack of emotional intimacy. Plus, there's the ever-looming threat of ghosting, where someone simply disappears from your life without a trace. One minute you're sharing memes and planning a virtual Netflix party, and the next, poof, they've vanished into thin air. On the flip side, this digital landscape has also fostered a culture of transparency and openness. It's now more acceptable to discuss mental health, personal boundaries, and expectations early on in a relationship, which can lead to healthier and more fulfilling partnerships. Like everything else, Gen Z dating has its highs and lows. But remember, it's all part of the process. Whether you're navigating the sea of potential matches or dealing with the occasional ghost, know that each experience is a step towards finding what truly works for you. Greetings, cherished viewers. I trust you're relishing today's content. However, before we return to the main event, I've got a thrilling announcement. This interlude is sponsored by Modern World Dynamics. Yes, that's us, and we have an unbeatable proposition exclusively for you. We're on a mission to inject dynamism into your life, and there's no better way to accomplish that than with our exceptional online courses. Here's a sneak peek at a few. Perhaps you're aiming to elevate your dating prowess with our men's dating course, or you're keen to refine your attire with our men's style course. Rest assured, we've got you sorted. For those on the quest for a life partner, our How to Find a Husband course is a must. Conversely, if you're a duo seeking to solidify your financial stability, financial planning for couples is just the ticket. For those aspiring to carve out a digital niche, our courses like How to Build a Personal Brand and How to Grow Your Social Media are ideal. And remember, the flawless dating profile is merely a course away. If you're a tad unsure about initiating contact, our How to Approach Women course has your back. Visit our website at www.modernworlddynamics.com and revolutionize your life today. Thank you for tuning in and for choosing Modern World Dynamics for your personal development voyage. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to our courses, assisting you in navigating the modern world's dynamics. Now back to the captivating content you are enjoying. Until our next encounter, remain inquisitive, stay connected, and continue to explore the dynamics of the modern world. Cheers, everyone. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into some real-life Gen Z dating stories. First up, we have a tale from a young woman named Rose. Rose met Jack on a popular dating app. He had a clever bio and an adorable dog in his profile picture. They texted for weeks, sharing memes, discussing their favorite TV shows, and even having some deep late-night conversations. But when it came time to meet in person, Jack ghosted. He vanished without a trace, leaving Rose confused and disappointed. This is a common experience in Gen Z dating, where the digital connection sometimes fails to translate into the real world. Next, let's hear about Harry. Harry met Megan at a climate change protest. They bonded over their shared passion for the environment and began dating. However, they faced a unique Gen Z challenge, navigating a relationship in the public eye of social media. Their every move was scrutinized and judged by their peers online, creating pressure and tension in their relationship. We also have the story of Bella, who identifies as non-binary. Bella's dating experience has been a journey of self-discovery and acceptance. They've had to educate their partners about their identity and have faced both acceptance and rejection. This highlights another facet of Gen Z dating, where discussions about gender and sexuality are becoming increasingly commonplace. Lastly, we have Edward, who's part of the hookup culture. He prefers casual relationships over committed ones, but he's often misunderstood and judged for his choices. For Edward and others like him, dating isn't about finding the one, but about exploring and enjoying the moment. These stories illustrate the colorful yet complex world of Gen Z dating. From ghosting to public scrutiny, from gender discussions to the hookup culture, Gen Z is redefining dating in their own unique ways. It's a brave new world out there, full of possibilities and pitfalls, and these young hearts are navigating it with courage, authenticity, and a healthy dose of emojis. These stories illustrate the colorful yet complex world of Gen Z dating. Enjoying the journey so far? We'd love your support to keep bringing you these in-depth analyses. Here at Modern World Dynamics, we're always digging deep into the fascinating aspects of our evolving world. Our mission is to illuminate and entertain, but we can't do it alone. If you appreciate our work and wish to journey further with us, consider hitting that subscribe button. It's a one-click way to stay updated with our latest videos. And hey, it's free. But if you're feeling particularly generous and would like to fuel our research even more, a donation would be a tremendous help. Every penny goes directly into producing these informative and entertaining videos. The link for donations is right there in the description below. No matter how you choose to support us, know that it's greatly appreciated. Your contributions, big or small, make a world of difference. With your support, we can continue unraveling the mysteries of the modern world. As we near the end of our journey, let's recap what we've learned about Gen Z dating. Firstly, we've discovered that dating for Gen Z is quite different from previous generations. The digital era has transformed the landscape of love, with social media and dating apps playing a significant role. This generation prefers swiping right on a screen rather than meeting face-to-face, which can be both a boon and a bane. We've also delved into the pros and cons of Gen Z dating. On the upside, it's more inclusive and diverse, breaking down barriers of race, religion, and sexuality. It's also more flexible, with less pressure to follow traditional dating norms. However, on the downside, the digital nature of Gen Z dating can lead to a lack of deep, meaningful connections. There's also a greater emphasis on physical appearance, which can potentially foster superficial relationships. Next, we've taken a glimpse into the Gen Z dating experience, which is marked by its fluidity and openness. Gen Z is comfortable with expressing their feelings and exploring their identity. They're not afraid to challenge the status quo, leading to a dating scene that's vibrant, dynamic, and ever-evolving. But it's important to remember that not all Gen Z dating experiences are the same. Each individual's journey is unique, shaped by their own personal circumstances and beliefs. Remember, every generation has its unique approach to love and dating, and Gen Z is no exception. That's a wrap on our insightful exploration of Gen Z dating. What an intriguing journey it's been, navigating the ups and downs of this modern love landscape. It's clear that the dating world has changed for the Gen Z, presenting new opportunities and challenges alike. Now it's over to you. We'd love to hear about your experiences and thoughts. Did our insights resonate with you? Perhaps you have a different perspective or a unique story to share. Let's get a conversation going in the comments below. Your interaction enriches our understanding and helps us create content that speaks to your reality. If you found this video informative and entertaining, go ahead and press that like button. It's a small action that makes a big difference, helping us reach more people, spark more conversations, and delve deeper into the dynamics of the modern world. Don't forget to subscribe to Modern World Dynamics for more peeks into the evolving world. Until next time, keep exploring.